Sanibonani guys, welcome back to yet another video. Guys, there you have it. Some of you guys that were in denial ukuthi uMakhwela, if she's really uMusa's wife, if she's really, guys, they went to the extent of not just dating, kodwa bamithisana. Yes, I'm gonna say bamithisene uMakhwela benoMusa, you guys. Hayibo, I'm just gonna say this, guys, and ngijajeni if you guys want to judge me. I think they're quite cute, guys. I really think they're quite cute, especially that scene at the end of the episode where they're at the hotel and Danny busy smiling in each other's faces, guys. They looked so cute. Kodwa-ke, I must say this. Abaya ukudlala ngathi bandla. Abaya ukudlala ngathi. I don't know if uMusa thinks his wives are children or we as the audience are children. But guys, this is clear that there's so much editing that is done here. So much editing. I feel like that whole picnic of uMakhwela surprising uMusa with the pregnancy test was just a performance. Unokuzana, I have a feeling, guys, that uMusa knew all along, and by the time she showed him the pregnancy test, she was far along. He knew already, and I feel like they were doing something bebezama ukufihla ihlazo for the family or for the wives or something like that. But something is not adding up, especially the amount of editing they've been doing this season to make this whole thing kaMakhwela make sense. I'm just like, why are you guys trying to sell us something evele ingenzi sense? So that's how I'm saying, I don't know if uMusa's doing it so that when the wives watch it, then it looks like ukuthi wenziwe ngendlela. uMakhwela was lobola at first, then she got married. Hayibo, we know ukuthi even before the lobola, chances are uGel was already expecting, and that's just my thoughts on the thing, guys. I have no facts on that, but I have a feeling that before even the lobola, uGel was already expecting. Now, for some people they might disagree because other people were saying that the lobola was done 2023, but when I saw the picture, uMakhwela posted something last week after last week's episode. She posted like a status on her Instagram stories. And then there was a picture of herself that had a date, but it was last year November's date. So for me, it just gave me the vibes with the day maybe they were doing the lobola. She took her picture and she was resharing memories or something like that. I don't know. I stand to be corrected, guys, but there's something that is just not adding up here. And all I want to hear is Umayeli's comment on this whole thing. I'm sure she's going to say, but guys, uMusa seemed so happy there. He's busy saying, abantu bebe, all the people bebe ngabaza amandla. I'm just like, what would there be to prove when you've got so many children? That time uSamke she doesn't even know. She said she doesn't even know how many children uMusa has. I'm just like, how long? I would like to know, how long have these two been dating, guys? Yeah, I can. But anyway, there's nothing much we can say, you guys. But there was some scenes that were kind of cringe because I'm just like, Musa. I don't know how the wives are gonna watch through all of that. Imagine your husband, you guys, seeing him busy talking about sex scenes with a child born in 2000. Guys, that is just cringe. But anyway, halala to them. Congratulations, Samke. We're going to run with the narrative. I get to see as some of us would say, Kelly, rumor has it, Kelly has given birth already. But anyway, let's run with the narrative that they're giving us, the narrative that they want us to run with. Congratulations, Musa and Samke, on your pregnancy. We wish you guys all the best. Hey, guys, but I just have a feeling with Lento. It's going to shake up Umzumbe. I'm even worried at this point. When we get another season next year, will the wives even want to come and shoot again, guys, after this whole thing? Asaz. Anyway, you tell me your thoughts on this. Please do make sure you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge. And I'll see you guys on the next one.